This video is a quick introduction to one of our newest interactive displays, the TRUTOUCH RS Series. And we're going to show you the new user interface that makes it even easier to navigate than ever before. When you turn on the RS, the first thing it gives you is this start screen. And very simply, it wants you to press to start. And when you do that, it takes you right to the new home screen. And from here, everything is laid out in a very comprehensive fashion, making it easy for you to get to the source or the application you need to use. Starting over here on this side, as you can see, these buttons are laid out in a way that's very easy to understand. This button right here gets you right to the built-in Windows PC. The one labeled Screen Sharing gets you to our TrueCast Express application, which allows you to wirelessly cast from mobile and PC devices to the panel. This gets you to our embedded whiteboard, a built-in web browser, a built-in file viewer for managing content directly from the display, and a gadget button that allows you to access all the other embedded applications on the display. Down here I have an Add button, and the Add button is great because it allows me to access shortcuts, one-touch shortcuts to any application or source that I need to. When I touch the Add button, it gives me this menu, and I can choose a port for a source, I can choose a Windows program on the built-in PC, and I can choose a gadget, one of the embedded applications on the display. I'll choose the Office Suite as an example, and as you can see, one-touch access to the application. On this side of the display, you can see that I have all of the inputs lined up right here, and then I have this screen. When I touch the input that I need to use, it will give me a live preview on this screen. And when I touch the screen, it gives me access to that source, and I can immediately begin to work. Here in the Windows environment, this is a good opportunity to show you our side toolbars. I have one on either side of the display. I can move these toolbars up and down, and using two fingers, I can collapse them, and I can also expand them again to get access to the toolbar buttons. Starting here at the bottom, this gives me one-touch access to the built-in PC. This allows me to back out of a current application. The one that looks like a house takes me to the home screen. This is for the embedded whiteboard, and the one at the top is for the screen annotation tools. And when I touch that, it gives me my writing tools so I can annotate over anything I have on the screen. What I can also do is access an additional menu using two fingers and swiping up from the bottom. And that gets me access to other features of the display, but it also allows me to disable and re-enable the side toolbars. When we go back to the home screen, the last button I'll show you is the one here that looks like a person exiting a door. That actually ends the session. So when you're finished with class or your meeting, touch this button and it allows you to go right back to the start screen. And that's our quick introduction to the RS, one of our newest interactive displays with a new user interface making it easier than ever to navigate around the system.